Hey guys, so in this episode of Make It with Calvin, I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently. I'm doing an unboxing here. This is a box of trees that I actually traded one of my customers for. So let's crack this open and see what's inside. So for those of you that don't know, I have some train projects going on where I need some trees for scenery, and I've had some Woodland Scenics tree armatures for a while, and I tried making them, and I showed them to a customer of mine, and I'm like, yeah, I'm just not really digging this. And he's like, oh, I know how to build trees. And I'm like, oh, you do? So we worked out a deal where I sent him a couple of ON18 flat cars and a spare trolley and Davenport shell, figuring, hey, you know what? They're not getting used, so this is what I got in return. Well, at least I got some bubble wrap. So I've seen some generic photos of the trees, but I have not seen what actually went in the box. So this is all live reaction, whatever you want to call it. So, ooh. Backs, we get backs. Got a lot of bubble wrap. That's awesome. Oh man. Oh, these things are awesome. Check them out. Oh, those look way better than the ones that I was trying to make. So I asked him to keep them somewhat short because the layout that they're going on, I'm trying to keep the Z height down, but man, dude, these things are awesome. Oh my gosh. Dude, the cool thing is he also does a lot of like the Warhammer, I think it is, miniature stuff. So he has a lot of experience with doing scenery for that kind of stuff. And like I told him, the cool thing is a lot of that carries over into the model train field. There's a lot of overlap between the two. Dude. Oh, heck yeah. Wow. Genuinely, I'm blown away. These are awesome. And I'm surprised they actually handled traveling from Colorado to California as well as they did. This one's labeled pine trees, so let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, so we got some more of this epic scenery material stuff, which I'm totally going to make use of. Looks like fiberfill and ground foam. Just amazing. So I got some more pine trees here. Man, these things are awesome. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this sort of stuff, I will put in the pinned comment down below his Discord handle. So if you guys want to get in touch with him regarding stuff, I'd recommend it. I am blown away. He's also showed me some photos of like some aspen trees he did. I was looking more for like pine trees and stuff. But yeah, no, dang, this is more than I thought it was going to be, which is not a bad thing at all. So yeah, well, I guess the next video will be propagating the train layout. Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you here next time on Make It with Calvin.